Hi, today we will learn about reptiles. Reptiles are cold-blooded animals, which means that they depend on heat from their surrounding to warm themselves. They are vertebrates or animal with backbone. They have dry skin covered with scales or horny plates. They usually lay eggs, except boa and python, which give birth. Reptiles breathe using lungs. Without fur or feather, they cannot stay warm on a cold days, and without sweat glands, they cannot cool off on hot days. During cold season, they become inactive. But the interesting fact is that they can survive without their parents. Few examples of reptiles: crocodile, crocodile, turtle, turtle, snake, snake, lizards, lizards, tortoise, tortoise, iguana, iguana, chameleon, chameleon, alligator, alligator, boa, boa, python, python, cobra, cobra, worm lizard, worm lizard. Like, share and subscribe.